Hey y'all, come on in the kitchen. You can tell where my brain is going right now because I am thinking having 3 sons that really love football, baseball, all kind of sports. So my mind is on things that they would like for tailgating or to just mix up for friends when they come over, or if you go into somebody else's house, you can make this and give it to them as a little hostess gift. Now, I'm going to, in fact, I already have, I've got a crispy corn and rice cereal in here. I had to find me a bigger container. I've got a half maybe, or 3/4 of a cup of smooth peanut butter. I like the smooth.
3/4 of a cup.
3/4 of a cup. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla, a stick of butter, and a 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolates. And I'm just gonna put all this in the microwave. I'm not gonna put the vanilla yet. I'm gonna put all of this in a microwave safe bowl and melt it. So this is, if for those that like a sweeter snack, this will be the snack for you, honey. And I've shared a savory one with y'all too today. So you can just pick your poison. Whatever you feel like. Okay. Does this tell me how long to microwave it for, Therese? I can't remember.
Till melted.
Okay, I don't have it on here. Just said melt chocolate and peanut butter together. Pour over the rice cereal. Yum. So I can't forget to add the vanilla to this. So I'm going to put this on for 1 minute at the time, stirring until it's all melted. Okay, y'all, it took me 3 minutes to melt all this good together. I did it in 1 minute increments. And you'll want to make sure that you stir this very well until it's completely mixed together. And I just added my vanilla. But see how smooth and creamy that is? It's like delicious. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this. How, if I can do it. I'm just gonna pour this over my cereal. Like I said, this is one of those sweet snacks.
I'm not sure if you said how much, what the cereal was or anything.
It's 1 box, 1 box of a regular size cereal.
It's a crispy corn cereal.
Yeah, what you call it, a crispy corn
and rice.
Yeah. Like I said, you can use any kind of cereal you want. Just whatever you think your children or your husband will eat and like, and your friends. All right, I think I'm gonna have to just get in here with my hands in order to get it mixed up real good. And I'm trying to be gentle so as not to break up the cereal. Looks good, doesn't it, Eddie? It doesn't look like reindeer dropping, so does it? Whoa. Now, if you're a finger licker, this would be a good one to sit back and enjoy licking those fingers. A pound of confectionate sugar. I'm gonna try to get in here without putting my hands back in it. So, let's see the biggest one I got. That's a semi-sweet chocolate, so you really, really, really need this powdered sugar because semi-sweet chocolate is a little bit on the bitter side. Okay. So I'm doing the powdered sugar in like thirds, y'all. Like I said, you just want to be careful to try not to break it up. Break up your cereal. Okay. That's it. When I found this in my handwritten notes in my recipe drawer. Oops. Look what I did. This had powdered sugar on it and I didn't know it. But when I found this handwritten recipe in my recipe drawer, it said puppy chow. I said, oh great, because I've been wanting to make something for the pups on my little cooking channel. Okay, it's time for our last snack to come out, right, Teresa? That's...
Yes, ma'am. How about I come get that while you finish?
Yeah, you can come get it. So there we go. It really did take that 1 pound of confectionate sugar to absorb that chocolate. Eddie, dig in, baby.
Good stuff.
Hmm?
It's amazing that the powdered sugar doesn't go away.
I know it. It's good, isn't it? The crispy of the cereal. So, like I said, this is a great, sweet tailgating recipe, or just have friends over, you can put this out and they will enjoy. And I'm probably gonna go in here and just break it up a little bit more. You know, you may want some chunks for people that like to get a bigger bite. But there we go. That's it. That is it for today. Teresa, come taste. And when I say puppy chow now, this is not for the four-legged pups.
Oh no,
Huh?
definitely not.
This is for the two-legged dogs. Speaking of dogs, how are the bulldogs doing?
Well, we won last weekend, but it was a
Okay.
very, it was a having to have a comeback.
You know
we play
what?
Auburn on Saturday.
You know what? I don't care if you win by 1 point.
I know.
You're a winner, right? I'll see y'all later. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.